Announcing LED performance boosted servers. Yes, you heard that right. We have worked years developing technology that uses RGB LED strips and converts this into computing power for your servers. Well, here's how it works. Once you confirm your order on our website, our system assigns you to a server rack with LED lights. These server racks are fitted with special patented light reflectors that reflect the RGB colors and convert them into extra computing power. And that's all it takes. We did run some tests with a few of our users before launching this new feature. And this is what they had to say.
I thought it was a joke at first when ZAP-Hosting approached me and asked me to test this technology. But the performance boost is insane. My community is extremely positive. I never thought that this would be the way forward, but LED technology boosted performance is here to stay.
I have been with ZAP-Hosting for over 6 years now, and as a server owner of over 10 booming game servers, their new RGB feature has significantly boosted the performance on all of my servers. I have never seen anything like this, but my players are beyond happy, and so am I.
I have been working with ZAP-Hosting for about 4 years now, and I never expected them to launch a feature like this. How is this even possible? LED strips boost performance, upgrade a few of my pieces for both projects I'm working on. I have no regrets.
ZAP-Hosting's new LED performance boosted servers. Visit zaphosting.com/LEDpower and order yours now to get a 50% discount with code LEDs for maximum performance.
I'm Professor Zap Coins, and ZAP-Hosting has discovered insane technology where they can now convert RGB LED strip power into actual computing power. Now, this is a scientific breakthrough, and we are extremely excited to study these findings and use this technology for a variety of different applications.
ZAP-Hosting, if you want more power.